Welcome back to the Baby Whisperer. This week on the Baby Whisperer, I'd like to talk about potty training. This is hard not only on your child, but you as a parent. It shows that your baby is getting independent and growing up. Who wants to see their baby grow up? Not me. It was hard for me for sure. In this video, we're going to cover some of the techniques that we use for this big change in your child's life. Do you already have a kid that's potty trained? Leave a comment below and let me know how old they were when they were potty trained. Some of the signs that show your child is ready for potty training is pooping in the corner, saying they have a wet diaper or a poopy diaper, or just wanting no diaper at all, cruising the house naked. Your child will start showing signs between 8 months and a year and a half old. So you have to watch out for these signs because every child is different. We start by changing them in the bathroom when they start showing us these signs. That way they know that's the right place to go potty. I always have the kids stand up when I take their diaper off, even if it's poopy. I know it's a little bit awkward at first, but it shows them that they don't want to be doing that anymore, that they want to be sitting and pooping in the potty, or at least trying to go. Every time you change your kid's diaper, you should have them try or sit on the toilet. Sometimes they might say no, and that's okay. You don't want to force them or make it like a big deal that they don't want to. When they're ready, they will. Also, I suggest that you have them flush the toilet every single time that they try really hard. It gets them used to the noise and the sound because that can be really intimidating for children. Personally, I think that giving your child a sweet treat or a reward of some kind isn't really the best idea. It helps the kids associate going potty with food, and that's not something that I think you should encourage. If you do have to give them something, which is totally fine, give them a sticker or a stamp. I know kids really love this. After a couple of weeks, your child will start peeing in the potty more often. Yay! Congratulations, next step. So, once they start peeing in the potty, 50% of the time, it's time to buy undies. This is a good time to also start setting your timer and taking your child every hour on the hour. If your child's diaper is wet, even after an hour, go down to 45 minutes. If they're lasting longer and not peeing still, bump it up 15 minutes. After a couple of days, you'll know right where your child is sitting for how often they're going potty. After your child starts peeing in the potty every single time, it is time for you to get rid of that diaper. Yes, you have achieved parenthood because your child is potty trained. Okay, so your child is going to go through probably about 4 or 5 different stages of emotion after they get their big girl or boy panties. And the first one's going to be excitement. They're going to want to go all the time. They're going to harass you in the middle of the night. They're just going to be so excited. Encourage this. You want this to happen. Remember that, even if it's 2 o'clock in the morning. The second thing that they're going to feel is kind of kosher or nonchalant about it. And they're going to be like, oh, I guess I'll go potty. Oh, if you're going to make me. And the last one is regression. 90% of children, that's a rough estimate, go through regression and they pee and poop in their pants on purpose. It's not because they hate you or they're mad at you. It's because they don't know if this is something they really want, and diapers are easier. After the regression, which usually only lasts a week, you're done. Your child is potty trained. A few accidents might occur, but you're done. Depending on your child's temperament, it's depending on how long it will take them to potty train. I've seen it happen anywhere from 2 days all the way up to 6 months to potty train a child. If you follow your child's steps and let them show you when they're ready for the next one, you will be doing it much quicker and much easier than if you try to force them or if you procrastinate and make them wait. The biggest thing I want you to know is that every single thing in your house is washable, including your child and their clothes. Accidents do happen, and encouragement and support is the most needed thing in this difficult time for you and your child. Did you like my video? Then like my video, subscribe, or you can find find me on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. As always, get your smile on. Bye! Hi guys! Welcome back to the Baby Whisperer! I'm so excited that this is our 5th video! Yay! We are going to be talking about something that happens to infants and babies. It's called colic.